Hello to everybody. How are you? Now we are second days already to transfer in the new condo, Madam Answer. So now it's not yet finished. See, it's ink. What's that? That one is the room of Sisi, the bathroom, and this one is the room of Madam. And the empty room, we put the stock room, temporary, and now ayan, not yet finished. We are not yet finished. So, on this one also is the balcony, and this one is the outside and the back side of this Iraq Gate apartment. You see all of that. Okay. This one is I think it's third side. This one is the third side. Because in the entrance, the one that I beat you already. And this one is the newly. And this one, no. Oh. It's not yet finished. It's still working. Okay. And when everything will be okay, I make also a video, part 2 or part 3. Okay, very nice siya. Attractive and clean. But it's the same here, the gas rinse. Okay. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day to everybody. Keep it safe to all of us and bye-bye.